All right, so Harry's razors. Rip them open. And let's see what we got in here. This is, you get one cartridge. And let me show you. There's the back of it. I had to rip it apart. There's the front. Comes with that in there, and then this is what you get. To open it, you've got one side here that you got to pop, bam, and there's 4 of them in there. All right, so I've got this one here, and I want to get rid of it. So I just pop it off like that. I just push it. Then to get this one on, the little thingamabob on there, look, see how it comes up? There we go. And then they just pop out. And now you're ready to go. Get it off, you go like that. All right, so here's the attitude that you have to have. This side this way, this side this way, this side, the bent side down, then you just slide it in. And now I can shave my face. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.